Hi guys, welcome back to Fishing in the UK. Today I'm going to be fishing on Sand Eel's Pier. So these are what I'm going to be using today. These are size 6 heron feathers. I'm going to quickly tie these onto my spinning rod. Put a spinner on for a weight. I'm just going to use this old spinner off last year, and that's going to be my weight for the bottom of these. Alright. Going to put this on as a weight and then basically peel them off one by one. So normally I like to keep this bit of cord, because if you keep it, it means if you don't lose your setup you can just put it back on. So I'm using the little Daiwa 3000 reel. This is my spinning rod. It's the Daiwa black and gold spinning rod, and this is rated for 7 to 35 grams. So let's see if we can catch some sand eels today. As you can see, the water's looking quite clear today, so hopefully we're in with a chance with a couple of sand eels. Maybe we'll get one or two, but we'll sure find out. So this is what we came for. Lovely little sand eel here. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, just come off. So there we go. There's one. Just got to get a few more. Hopefully we'll get some more. That one seemed to be really close in, so I'm just gonna drop it in close, keep it close to the weed, see if I can catch some more. Oh, but it doesn't come off. Oh, whatever, it's a big one. This one's a Lawrence. Unfortunately, it's been a little bit foul hook, so I'll knock it on the head, put it in my bag for some bait. We'll get cast back out, see if we can catch some more. Snagged just there, literally. There we go, there's another one. So as you can see there, the tide's on its way out now. I think low tide's about 11 o'clock or something, so I'm going to have a couple of more casts, then I think I'll head home and then come back out around about tea time. I think high tide's about 8 o'clock tonight, so I think I'll come down about 5:30, fish the tide in, hopefully pick up a few more sand eels and start stocking the bait freezer. So as you can see, they're in now. Collect a couple more of these, will be laughing. This one's tangled itself up. That's the problem with them, sometimes they just tie themselves in a knot, but they should come out fairly quickly. There we go, that's what we're catching. Lovely little sand eels for bait. Got another one on the bottom here. Most of the time they just foul hook themselves when they go for the hooks and try to swim away. And there we go. All I'm doing is just dropping it quite close into the pier down here. Getting quite close to the bottom, but not quite on the bottom. Just jigging it up and down. And just feeling for any bites. Nothing takes it, I'm just reeling back in and just flicking it out a little bit. You don't have to cast very far to get sand eels. Oh, there we go, we're in. Yep. Oh, we've got a couple there. Oh, one come off, but that's okay. Oh, this one's on the spinner this time. So that's 3 I've got so far. I like to go a bit wild. There we go, there's another one. Lovely. Oh, we've got another 2. Oh. There we go, there's another 2. 3 this time. There we go. Nice little string of 3 there. Oh, a pretty decent size one. Oh, there we go, straight back in. Oh, got another 3. Oh, one's just come off, we've got 2. That's enough. These ones are smaller though. I'll quickly get them off and catch them all while they're in. Because they move through in waves, so you gotta be quick. no string yet. There we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 5 here. Excellent stuff. And get these ones pulled off. So I'm just going to move down to the stairs now. Alright. As you can see, the water's lovely and calm today. We just had the dolphins going out between the piers. Being in the bay, they might have been up the river. Hopefully when I get back home and put the footage on the computer, you'll actually be able to see the dolphin jumping out of the water. I'm just casting parallel to the pier now. Seeing if there's any more sand eels still in. We've still got a couple of hours till high tide, so hopefully we'll pick up a few more. And then I think if they open the borders, we'll do a bit bait fishing with the sand eels. Oh, there we go. In. Ah, yes, in. Got one. There we go. There's another one there. Excellent stuff. I'll get this one put in the bag. There we go again. Oh, looks like we've got a couple this time. There we go. Oh, one dropped off. That's okay though. There's another one. Whoop. And another one. There we go. Lovely collie there. We're not using these ones for bait, so we'll let them go. Quickly unhook him. Gets one chuck back. Off he goes. Well, so far it's been a pretty excellent day collecting sand eels. I've caught, well, I've lost count of how many I've caught, but I'm going to stock them up in my freezer so they'll come in handy through the summer and the winter. I've seen seals, dolphins, all sorts, and it's been a really nice day. So I think I'm going to call it a day for today. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you soon.